Hello everyone, what if I told you that Google's most powerful AI video model VO3 Ultra is no longer only for rich creators or big companies? What if I showed you a way to use it yourself without paying huge fees? Sounds impossible, right? But wait, this is not one of those fake free trial tricks that stop after 2 videos. I'm talking about generating AI videos again and again, using a method that almost nobody is openly sharing right now. And the craziest part? The real secret is hidden in step number 3. Miss that one step, and nothing will work properly. So before this method gets patched or overcrowded, watch this video carefully till the end. No clickbait, no fake promises, just real value straight to your screen. First, open the platform called Bunny Flow. I've already placed the direct website link in the description, so you don't have to waste time searching for it anywhere else. Just open the link and click on the Get Started button. Now create your account using a username, your email address, and a strong password. It only takes a minute to set everything up. And one more important thing, make sure to save your Gmail ID and password somewhere safe because these login details will be useful later in the process. Now here's something interesting. Every new account currently comes with 3 days of unlimited access. So if you already have multiple Gmail accounts for personal or work use, you can test the platform on them and continue using its features longer without spending a single dollar. And if you run out of Gmail accounts, creating a new one only takes 2 minutes. So be smart. But there is one very important step here that most people miss. Just creating the account is not enough to properly access all the features inside their flow. You also need to install their browser extension. This extension is the main part that activates the free 3-day unlimited access without restrictions. That's why I told you earlier that the email only needs to be a working one. Once everything is set up correctly, you can start using the platform smoothly without any issues. Now watch carefully, go to the left side menu and click on Extensions. Here you'll see the Download Extension button. Simply click on it and save the small extension file to your device. It only takes a few seconds to download. Then go to Extensions and open Manage Extensions directly. On the top right side, you'll see a button called Developer Mode. Turn it on right now. This step is the most important because without it, the extension will not be added to your browser and you won't be able to create unlimited videos. Now open the folder where you saved the extension, drag and drop the zip file directly into the browser. It will instantly get installed. After it gets installed, close this tab and return to the main dashboard. Now again, click on the extension icon and enter the same email and password that you used for the Bunny Flow account. Make sure it is the same, otherwise this will not work. After logging in, go to the left side menu and click on Flow Access. Type a simple prompt in the prompt input box. After this, click on the Open on Google Flow button below. Boom, Google Flow opens in a new tab. But wait, look at the magic here. Check the profile section above. It is already logged into an Ultra account, meaning you now have top-tier access without spending a single dollar. But there is one very important precaution here. Go into the model settings and make sure only VO3.1 Light lower priority is selected. If you select any other model, the video will not generate and then you'll think it's not working. So check this setting carefully. Now enter your prompt and click Generate. See, the result is right in front of you. Smooth quality and completely realistic motion. Your video has been successfully generated. Now comes the final tip, without which all your hard work can go to waste. As soon as your video gets rendered, download it immediately. Here you get both 720p and 1080p options. I would suggest directly choosing 1080p. Why? Because this is a free loophole. As soon as you refresh the page or the session ends, you can get logged out. So the moment the video is created, download it instantly. Sometimes you'll see queued written here. Don't panic. This is not an error. Because we are using lower priority and free servers, the video can take a little extra time to generate. Just be patient and you'll definitely get the output. Now the biggest pro tip, what happens after 3 days? Simple, go into extensions, remove it, and log in again with another Google account and repeat the same process. Using this method, you can use it free and unlimited for a whole month. Yes, a full 30 days. If old data is still showing after removing the extension, then clear your browser cookies. Then it will work like a completely fresh account. Look, brother, my job is to bring you tools like this that give wings to your creativity. I always try to find the best free tools for you. But remember, these platforms can remove their promotions or patch loopholes anytime, and that is not in my control. So use it as much as possible while it still works. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching the video till here.